Hello everyone, greetings from Aventura and Career Consultants. Guys, today I am going to discuss the way to prepare QCard in IELTS. QCard is the second part of IELTS speaking module, which is also known as long turn card, in which a topic is given and the candidate has to prepare that topic in 1 minute and speak for 2 minutes approximately. So guys, it's very important to know the tips and tricks to elaborate the cue card. This is the reason I have divided the cue card in three parts. One is introductory, second part is detail, and last part is concluding part. Introduction should be for 15 to 20 seconds. Details should cover 1 minute of the total, that is approximately 60 seconds. And here keep in mind that you are expected to cover all follow-up questions. It's very important. And the last part is concluding part. Here you can make a cock and bull story, but it must be relevant to cue card. And rest of the time can be spent on it. So guys, let's start with one topic. Today's cue card is describe a quiz program or game show on television. What program is it? How did you know about it? How is it organized? And explain what do you think it is worth watching. So guys, this is all about cue card. Let's start with the explanation. How you can divide your cue card. First is, as I have told you earlier, introductory part. Here you can speak 5-6 sentences approximately depending on the length of sentence you make. If it is short, then it can be more. If it is lengthy, it can be short. So guys, here you can start with television. 1 or 2 sentences you can speak on television. The different programs shown on television. Then you have to correlate it with the game show which you like to watch in the last sentence. So let's start. TV is one of the most favorite mode of entertainment in the area I live in, as it shows variety of programs for children, young and old people, so it fascinates each age group. Ultimately, its popularity is increasing. I am also a great fan of these programs. I like to watch daily soaps and quiz shows. Here I would like to speak on my favorite show, which is quiz show, and its name is Kaun Banega Crorepati. Who will be millionaire? The host of the program is legend whose name is Amitabh Bachchan. At the start of the show, contestants are gathered and will have to answer a multiple choice question to decide who gets to be in the hot seat. Naturally, it's the person who answers accurately within the shortest time. When a contestant is selected, he or she will proceed to sit in a chair in the center. The rules are explained and the participant has the opportunity to answer in total 16 questions that get harder over time. For every answer that you get right, you will be awarded an amount of money. Apparently, if you are not sure about one particular question, you are given lifelines to take help. For example, you can call your friend for help or choose to have half of the options eliminated, etc. But you can always stop the game and go home with the money you have won. But if you are feeling adventurous, you can just go with your instinct. The participants are common men, celebrities who come to promote their movies, and social workers. Sometimes the game is played for noble cause. Usually it's a Friday which is devoted to it. On this day, a social worker comes and participates. Consequently, he or she takes the money he or she has won. So afterwards, the money can be used for the welfare of society. It's great fun to watch this program, and I assume also great fun to play. So guys, this is all about details. Now afterwards, in concluding part, you can talk about your preparation. Here you can speak on all the resources you take help from for the purpose of preparation. So rest of the time can be spent on making this story. So guys, hope you have prepared the cue card. Hope it is quite informative to you. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll definitely come with more informative videos. Thank you.